Hi everyone, I'm Heidi and I am in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen sponsored by TSET with Chef Val. I'm so excited and I should let people know that you are from the OUTU School of Community Medicine and I'm so excited to learn all kinds of stuff from you.
Well,
and I know we are talking soup today, so I'm going to let you go. You tell me what you're doing.
Okay, we're just making a very simple lentil soup. It's very inexpensive to make. I mean, lentils are pennies on the dollar, so a pound of lentils is right around $1, and this recipe serves about 8 people.
Okay, so this is good size.
Yes, and so the first thing that we have going in our pot here is we have onion, carrot, and celery. So the base of so many things that you make. This is your basic mirepoix. And so we have this sauteing and a little bit of olive oil, but you don't even have to saute it. You could just dump all this in the pot. So the next thing that's going in are some canned diced tomatoes. You could use tomato juice, especially a low sodium like vegetable juice. You can use tomato sauce. We do like the low sodium variety if you can find it.
Okay.
This is also some low sodium vegetable stock. And this is going to go right in. If you don't have the vegetable stock, use water. Has a little less flavor, but totally works.
So it's easy to kind of interchange depending on what you've got available.
Yes, we love to make our recipes very interchangeable, very adaptable to what you have in your kitchen. Okay, so we're just using some plain brown lentils. And as I said, they're very inexpensive and they also cook really quickly. I mean, we're talking a 25-minute cook compared to, say, if you were going to make black beans or any other kind of beans. Probably need to do a little pre-soak, and then they're going to need to cook for 2 to 3 hours. 25 minutes, 25 minutes, and these are ready to go.
So this is a quick, inexpensive alternative for people.
Right.
Okay.
Right. So these are going to go right in with the liquid of the tomatoes and the stock. We're going to do just a little pinch of black pepper, maybe a little bigger pinch, and then a little pinch of salt, like 1/4 teaspoon for the whole thing. And so you're going to bring this to a simmer and let the lentils really get nice and soft and creamy. And you know they're done when there's no longer a hard center in the middle of them. Again, around 25 minutes.
Okay. And that seems like it's a good resource just for health purposes as well, for lentils.
Yes, they are full of fiber and just very good for you. And this is also a great dish. It's very versatile in terms of if you have other vegetables you want to add to it. I mean, make it more of a vegetable soup. Add kale, add okra, add, like I said, bell peppers, any other vegetables that you might have.
Right. It's a good clean your kitchen and and you're getting all your vegetables that you need that I feel like so many people are not getting today that they need to. This is great. So now we get to taste it.
That's right.
All right. So for all of you, take a peek. Look how great that is. And I'm going to taste it. It's so good.
Good.
It's very, very good. If you guys want to learn this recipe or check out the resources with Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen, go ahead and head to kjrh.com. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.